Right, I'm bored. I've been looking for parts for the rear brake on that thing for the last 6 hours on the internet. My tits are done right in. So normally at this point I'll go and get a hammer and smash something up, but let's just do something else. What we're going to do now, look, is we're going to get a nice blade and we're just going to run it down this ganky plastic, slowly taking all the oxidization off. And we're going to do this because it's not beer time yet and I'm not an alky, so no beer before 4 o'clock. So we'll keep scraping away on this. And as you can see, it's starting to clear up. But the other thing we're going to do is we're going to scrape up all this dust off the floor and we're going to sell it to all the backpackers in town tonight. I'm sure they ain't going to turn their noses up at it. Right, the only trouble with scraping this plastic, it's so easy to put marks, more marks in it. You've got to be really careful when you get to the contour lines. See, as a contour line comes up, the edge of the blade is going to really dig in there. So, anyway, let's just get a pattern going here. We'll start from the corner. Also, the edges of these blades, they fold over, so after going a little bit in one direction, you can reverse your flow. Now I could let this run for about 10 hours. Put it up as one of those meditation videos that you can fall asleep by. But really, 10 seconds is enough. So, what I'm going to do now is let you lot go off to the fridge and get a beer, and I'll come back when I've got something else worth showing. Oh, I've just pressed the pause button, but my finger's covered in dust and I can't see if it paused it or not.